Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the App Store on your Philips TV. This works differently on Android TV versus Sapphire, so know which OS you have. Once on the store, search for YouTube and install or update it to the latest version. Make sure your TV is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone or laptop so casting will work. If you plan to sign in, have your Google account ready. You'll use it to access subscriptions and playback continuity. Open the YouTube app on the TV and follow prompts to sign in or skip for guest viewing. Signing in gives personalized recommendations. Once YouTube is open, press the cast icon on your phone or laptop. Select your Philips TV from the device list. If casting fails, use the YouTube app's pair device option. Enter the code shown on TV into YouTube. com/pair. For Android Philips TVs, keep the Play Store updated. Start a video and verify audio and picture. If buffering occurs, open settings on the YouTube player and lower quality to 720p or auto to stabilize playback. Once done, make sure the TV firmware is current. Outdated firmware often causes playback or casting failures. If videos won't start, restart the TV and router, then reconnect to Wi-Fi. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app or clear the app cache. This fixes corrupted data and typically restores normal playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.